Single visit dentistry, or CEREC same-day crown, is a way that we can provide you with a crown on the same day. What is a CEREC machine? It's a CAD/CAM machine or a camera that takes a digital image. We design your crown off that image, mill it in a milling machine, put it in an oven, and we give you that permanent, beautiful restoration. Without this new technology, you would be going to the dentist, taking an impression, and leaving with an acrylic temporary, sometimes up to 2 to 3 weeks. Now, you can come to the Smile Gallery. We can give you that permanent restoration in just one visit. We love this new technology that we're able to provide for our patients, and our patients love it too.